Meaning of guard dog.
Guard dog.
Guard dog.
Guard dog.
Guard dog. A guard dog is a trained canine that is specifically bred and raised to provide protection and security. Guard dogs are often used by law enforcement agencies, businesses, and individuals as a deterrent against criminal activity and to provide an additional layer of security. These dogs are highly loyal and obedient to their owners, and have a natural instinct to protect their home and family. They are trained to detect and respond to potential threats, and are capable of using force if necessary to protect their territory. Overall, a guard dog is a valuable asset for anyone seeking heightened security measures.